Editor Reviews, and today I'm not unboxing, and I'm not really, it's not a subscription, these are skincare products, but I did write a full review, but I wanted to share these with you guys here. These are from, I did the PR haul, you saw these in that. This is from a brand called MD Complete by Dr. Brian Zellickson. So this is from their anti-aging skincare range. They have an anti-aging, they also have an anti-acne. This is the anti-age. I feel like I'm making all sorts of noise, sorry. There's 3 items, 2 of which contain retinol. So I'm going to walk you through the day to night. So the first would be the eye cream. I believe this is $29.99. You get 0.5 ounces. I'm not big on eye cream, I'll be honest. I think I've said that plenty of times to you guys before. It's just not my go-to product. I don't really need it, to be honest. But I like this one. It has very little smell. Not really any smell. It's just, you know, like product. It's like a lightweight white cream. It does feel nice. What I will say is it has dimethicone. You can feel it has a silicone type. And that's great for around your eyes because it's going to fill in pores. So I don't know if this is going to be a product that's... there are like things in here that are supposed to help your eyes. But it may be like a temporary, more so a temporary improvement rather than a long-term solution. It does reduce the appearance of fine lines. This is a nice product if you're looking for something that you can put on and expect very quick results. The whole premise of this line is that you can buy dermatologist grade products without a prescription. So this is great if you have fine lines or you want to lift the eye area up. They say it does help with that. I don't know what the... Okay, so it's peptides that are good for collagen production. It has vitamins A, C, and E. And then it also has ceramides, which are great for elasticity in the skin. All right, but the good thing about this is you can use it twice a day. And you can use it in the AM. So this would be your first product. You would use this in the morning with your day moisturizer. And then you'd follow up with the step 2 products. Okay, now there's a whole bunch of other items in the range for your... You hear my daughter crying, she's mad. For your daytime routine. They're not alone, my husband's with them. So this is your like face cream. This is called the Wrinkle and Radiance Remedy. All right, so I love this product. This, like eye creams, I'm not a huge fan of, but this is a nice product if you're in the market for one. This I really like. This, the smell is great. It has like a light, mild citrus smell. Now, this is something you're going to want to use at night because it has retinol. You cannot put on retinol and go hang out in the sun because it increases your sensitivity to light. My skin soaks it. It almost feels so lightweight, like a day cream. So I would, if you like a really heavy moisturizer, I would suggest using one over top of this. But my skin soaks it right up. It feels good. It smells good. It also has, what's the other ingredients? I don't know. I don't remember now. This one is $35.99 or $39.99. You do get 1 full ounce. I like the packaging. It's pretty. It's very like simple and clean. And I do like that it has a pump where you're not squeezing it out of a tube. Now this, as far as usage, the first 2 weeks, you're going to use this every other day. This is not an everyday thing. You can really like get your skin sore. And then after that every day. Or if you have really sensitive skin, even less. Go by what you're getting the feeling from your skin. Let your skin tell you and guide you. So then the third, and it even comes with this little thing. It tells you how much to use. See that little pea-sized amount? And then it tells you about like cleansing and how to cleanse properly and stuff, which I think is really important and nice to have. All right. Finally, MD Complete Anti-Aging Retinol Vitamin C Concentrate. This is my favorite. So I use vitamin C now. I use retinol. The fact that you can put 2 in 1 and just reduce a whole step is awesome to me. I also like this. Now, you're also going to use this because it does have retinol. You're going to use this at night. This can't be something you use in the morning. So you get 0.5 ounces in here. This is $19.99. But the first 5 ingredients are, listen to this. So you've got Carthamus tinctoris. This is, I think, safflower oil. Pumpkin seed extract. Pomegranate fruit extract. Cranberry seed extract, black cumin seed extract. Then after that, it's tomato seed extract, red raspberry seed extract. And then they go into more chemical type products. But this is really a lot of all natural oils. That's part of the reason I also like it. And this is, again, another product. Now, you would clearly use this before you would use the face cream. I should have put that, I should have reviewed this one, talked about this one first. But it smells good. It smells just like the cream. So when you use these together, you're going to have a nice like scent. It's not overpowering. It's mild, but I like it. I just think it smells really pretty. And I like all the natural stuff in this. This is definitely one that I would suggest. In fact, I'd suggest the two together just because I like that you can cut out a whole step with doing vitamin C and then doing retinol. It makes life so much easier, and I like the smell. So these are nice. I definitely think these are worth checking out if you're looking or you're in the market for a new retinol or a new vitamin C or a new like nighttime anti-aging part of your routine, or you're looking to start your anti-aging routine. These are really, really nice. And then, of course, if you're also looking for an eye cream, and I'm not saying you shouldn't be looking for an eye cream, it's just something that I would not go to or go for. This is really nice as well, too. So that is that. I will link down below to my full blog review. It's basically the same thing, though, so it's not really necessary to check that out if you watch this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!